we ourselves feel that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean would be less because of that missing drop.
If you were really serious about solving the health problem, the single greatest intervention you can make is a preventative one, and that preventative one is water.
Growingly, water is getting more contaminated and then water table is going down, so many more geogenic contamination sort of happening.
In India, 80% of disease, and that's more true in rural areas than it is in urban, but 80% of disease is waterborne.
मैंने सोचा कि भाई इनके दांत सबके ख़राब हैं तो ये ब्रश वगैरह नहीं करते होंगे, लेकिन ये नहीं बोले कि अब जब तू यहाँ रहेगी ना तब पता चलेगा। तो मैं धीरे धीरे यहाँ रहने लग गई तो मेरे भी दांत वैसे ही ख़राब होने लग गई। तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि हाँ पानी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
बुजुर्ग फ्लोरोसिस से पीड़ित होकर चारपाई में पड़े हुए इस प्रकार का जीवन अभिशप्त जी रहे थे कि हे भगवान हमें उठा ले। तो बुजुर्ग हैं, महिलाएं हैं, चलने में हड्डियां कमज़ोर, जरा से अगर थोड़ा सा पैर इधर उधर गिर गए तो तुरंत फ्रैक्चर हो जाता था।
So the only way to treat these kind of problem is to provide safe drinking water.
पीने के 1 महीने बाद उनको प्रैक्टिकली ये रिजल्ट सामने आता है कि जो पानी वो लोग पहले से पी रहे थे उसकी तुलना में जो पानी उनको सर्वजल पिला रहा है वो कई गुना बेहतर पानी होता है।
Basically, if you look at a packaged water bottle, right, it talks about 6 processes. It says cartridge filter, it says media filter, it says carbon filter, it says reverse osmosis, it says UV ultraviolet purification, and then it says ozonization. Now, ozonization you need only for the packaged water because you want to give it a greater shelf life. Now, remove ozonization, rest of the 5 processes we have in our machines.
हम तो जहर ही पी रहे थे एक तरह से मरने का काम।
Currently, we are serving 80,000 people on day-to-day basis.
अब ये सर्वजल है, नई जनरेशन के लिए तो फायदा है, पुराने के लिए ये है कि वो बीमारी आगे नहीं बढ़ रही।
पहले करवट भी नहीं ले सकता था, अब मैं घोड़ियों की सहायता से घूम फिर भी सकता हूँ।
We also thought of saying that someone from the village can actually be employed and you could also generate livelihood, and that's how we came upon our current franchising model.
In Sarvajal, we have a remote monitoring system, so that allows us to look at the health of the machine and see where and head off potential problems before they arise. So rather than sending a maintenance person every day to the village, if you can have technology tell you what the problem is.
Now we can operate in urban spaces also.
We've got Sarvajal machines at OPD at AIMS. We have them on pilot basis in several schools in Delhi.
Even in Ahmedabad, it was a new concept altogether. But now, here, after 2 years, with Sarvajal project and such ATMs that are available here, people are really talking about safe drinking water.
घर पे अभी एक टाइम आता है 2 घंटे, सर्वजल का 24 घंटा।
Mineral water, they are having various tastes in different region, whereas in the case with the Sarvajal water ATM, the taste has been maintained throughout all the ATMs.
पीने में अच्छा है वो, जैसे वो आता है नहीं हमारा नल का पानी, उधर गटर का पानी की बास आते थे मेरे को।
There are certain diseases that are due to direct or indirect effects of water. Drinking safe water, non-polluted as well as non-contaminated is a major concern for us as individuals to remain healthy.
બીમારીમાં જો અમે એનું પાણી ભરતા ને તો ઝાડા વામિટ ને બધું થઈ જતું, તાવનું ને બધું રહેતું, જ્યારથી આ પાણી વાપરે ને ત્યારથી અમને કશું થતું નથી, મારી બેબી પણ નથી બીમાર પડતી એમ.
So 5 years from now, I'd like to see us in 50 times more villages than we are. I'd like to see us in the slums where water is the biggest problem in this country, so that at least water is one less worry that people who live in cities and are struggling to make their ends meet have on a daily basis. And I'd like us to recognize that water is a solvable problem and talented people can work on it.